Hello, listeners. Welcome to Hero Insight. Today, Panacera and I are diving deep into the invisible resource, a cornerstone of modern technology. It's a resource we cannot recreate, and the terrifying truth is, every time it's released into the sky, it is lost from our world forever.
Exactly, Anurag. We're talking about helium. It's so much more than just what makes party balloons float. It possesses unique physical properties that no other element can replace in advanced manufacturing. Its story actually begins at a cosmic scale.
Right. Back in 1868, astronomers Pierre, Janssen, and Norman Lockyer discovered strange spectral lines from the sun. No one knew this element existed on Earth then. Decades later, we found helium trapped beneath the Earth's crust, created by the decay of uranium and thorium, which releases alpha particles.
These alpha particles are essentially helium nuclei, 2 protons and 2 neutrons, with a 2+ charge. As these alpha particles slow down inside rock formations, they capture electrons from surrounding atoms and eventually become stable, neutral helium atoms. Because they are tiny and chemically inert, they seep through rock fissures and accumulate in geological traps alongside natural gas over millions of years.
It sounds very scientific, Panacera. But for our listeners, besides balloons, what do we actually do with it? How does it impact our daily lives?
Expert tone. Think about the MRI machines in hospitals. They use massive electromagnets that must operate in a superconducting state. This only happens when liquid helium keeps them at ultra-low temperatures. Without it, MRI machines can't function, and diagnosing complex diseases becomes nearly impossible.
So it's a medical lifeline. What about the tech industry?
Exciting tone. Even more critical, helium is vital for semiconductor fabrication. Those EUV lithography machines, manufactured primarily by ASML, rely on helium for cooling, vacuum stability, and leak detection throughout the fabrication process. It's also used to make fiber optic cables for high-speed internet. Because helium atoms are so small, they can slip through the tiniest cracks, making them perfect for finding leaks in fuel tanks or gas lines.
But here's the catch. Our supply is finite. When helium is used or leaks into the atmosphere, it undergoes a process known as thermal escape.
That's right. When heated by solar radiation in the upper atmosphere, helium atoms can move fast enough to escape Earth's gravitational pull through this process. Once they reach that speed, they literally leak out into space and never come back. It is a non-renewable resource in every sense of the word.
So we're losing a priceless resource every day. In physics, helium is the king of cold, with the lowest boiling point at -268.9 degrees Celsius. It's incredibly difficult to liquefy and manage. This requires world-class technology and specialized isocryogenic containers to control the boil-off rate during transport.
Analytical tone. This is why the supply chain is so fragile. Helium is a byproduct found in natural gas at concentrations of only 0.1 to 0.3%. Only about 20 industrial plants worldwide can extract it, and the market is an oligopoly. A few giants like Linde plc, Air Liquide, and Air Products and Chemicals dominate the key technologies in the supply chain. If one major plant stops, global prices can skyrocket by 250 to 300% instantly.
Strategic analysis tone. We saw this during the 2017 political crisis in the Persian Gulf. The shutdown of Qatar Helium-2 sent shockwaves through the world. Since Qatar exports through the Strait of Hormuz, a major global choke point, the disruption crippled everything from hospitals to nanoscale semiconductor fabs.
Firm tone. Precisely. This risk is why superpowers like China are moving fast to build a strategic helium stockpile. They see it as a matter of national tech security, essential for quantum computing, advanced chips, and their booming space program.
Deep reflection. Here's the paradox, Panacera. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe, yet on Earth, it is one of the rarest industrial resources. The modern technological world, quantum computers, space telescopes, and semiconductor fabs quietly rests on a gas that we cannot manufacture, cannot perfectly recycle, and cannot replace.
And in the long run, the race moves off-planet. Scientists are eyeing helium-3 on the moon, deposited by solar winds, as a dream fuel for nuclear fusion. The 21st century space race is now a space economy worth trillions. Helium is the tiny puzzle piece determining global stability and power. Thank you for these insights from HeroThailand.com. Goodbye.
Goodbye.